Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Jamman Media TV, the leader TV, and on the topic today is Dexta Dap himself, Mr. Controversial, girl thief, Mr. Take away your girl, Mr. Steal the girl in the middle of the dance. Yes, now him do a new song named Breaking News, which in this song is instructing the woman them that is facing abuse in relationship, that it is okay to poison the man. Yeah, I want to know what your views on it. Is it okay for a woman to use poisoning as a method of self-defense? Please like and share and subscribe to my channel, Jamman Media TV, the leader TV.
Oh God, it's true, the insulating bodies. Give the right for you, I think you need to live from the boy too poor, really to make you have fun. Give my views, you feel who you don't know more time, you need to fuck him and down. Stop fighting him, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, but why love him belly just poison him. Breaking news, I'm not killing girl like this because I pussy too good. Breaking news, girl your pussy too good. Breaking news, hey, that's on. Breaking news, why?
Yeah, Jamaican man start afraid to eat them dinner now. No matter how the food look pretty on the plate.
I have accepted the challenge. I'm going to learn to cook, right? You like Tyson. Too nice to him. The boy love him belly just poison him. You like Tyson. Too nice to him. The boy love him belly just poison him. Didn't make him fat for you like Tyson. Too nice to him. The boy love him belly just poison him. Breaking news. Man will kill him, girl. This a cause her pussy too good.
Yes, viewers, what you all think about the situation? Do you think he's taking it too far? Or do you think it's justifiable due to what was going on with the woman them the other day?
If you plan off your cancel, nothing can first you, girl. If you do it long, so you make it such a dance, I fuck your feel personal. Pussy good and it's gospel. Your front has something for you come back to. Oh God. Go. This shit can't fit. Ma, you can do it.
Right, so tour life done. Everything was amazing pretty much. And yeah. Can't wait to get home to see my baby. You're gonna miss me when you go.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, blood. Yeah, mate.
I'll see you again soon.
I'll be with the cinnamon.
Bye.
Sure. I'll be with mother, you know.